We all love desserts, but let's be honest, most of them are loaded with sugar and leave us feeling guilty. What if I told you there are desserts that are not only delicious but also packed with protein to keep you full and energized? Let's dive into some mouth-watering options you'll actually enjoy. Number 1. Greek Yogurt Parfait. Creamy Greek yogurt layered with fresh berries, crunchy granola, and a drizzle of honey. A perfect balance of sweetness, crunch, and protein. Number 2. Protein Brownies. Rich, fudgy brownies made with almond flour and chocolate protein powder. You'll never miss the unhealthy version. Number 3. Chia Seed Protein Pudding. A simple overnight pudding made with chia seeds, almond milk, and protein powder. Add toppings like nuts or dark chocolate chips for extra flavor. Number 4. Cottage Cheese Ice Cream. Blend cottage cheese with cocoa powder, vanilla, and a little maple syrup. Freeze it and you'll have a creamy, protein-packed ice cream alternative. Number 5. Protein Mug Cake. Craving cake in minutes. Mix protein powder, cocoa, almond milk, and an egg in a mug. Microwave for 60 seconds and enjoy a warm, fluffy cake instantly. Number 6. Peanut Butter Protein Balls. No baking required. Just mix oats, natural peanut butter, honey, and protein powder. Roll into bite-sized balls for a quick, sweet snack. Number 7. Protein Cheesecake. Make a guilt-free cheesecake using Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, and protein powder. It's creamy, rich, and surprisingly healthy. Number 8. Protein Pancakes with Chocolate Drizzle. Use protein pancake mix or blend oats, eggs, banana, and protein powder. Stack them up and drizzle with dark chocolate for a dessert-style breakfast. Number 9. High-protein chocolate mousse. Blend silken tofu or Greek yogurt with cocoa powder and protein powder. Light, airy, and tastes just like traditional mousse. Number 10. Protein Frozen Yogurt Bark. Spread Greek yogurt on a tray, sprinkle nuts, seeds, and berries, then freeze. Break into pieces for a crunchy, creamy treat. Number 11. Almond Butter Protein Cookies. Mix almond butter, protein powder, oats, and a little honey. Bake until golden and enjoy cookies that are chewy, nutty, and protein-rich. Number 12. Protein Banana Bread. Upgrade your banana bread by adding a scoop of vanilla protein powder. Moist, soft, and packed with flavor.